Let me show you guys how I turn this hair from looking this dry to looking this hydrated and well styled. Hi, welcome back. My name is Rosemary. I'm a hairstylist and a content creator based in Abuja. So the first thing you want to do is arrange the hair. Okay, just make sure all the wefts are equal, or at least try to make it equal, and then you're going to fold them because the hairs are in bundles and we want to have a nice and well arranged bundle basically. So I folded them into this size. Then I used these zip ties. You can get it from your local beauty supply store, and I took 2. I also went ahead to fold the hair again so it will look like you bought the hair in bundles. Okay, and I just wanted to use 2 of the zip ties. I passed each of the zip ties through the weft of the hair. Make sure you get all of the hair together, or at least try to get them together, and then you're going to basically just tie the hair. Make sure you arrange the hair very well before you pass it through, because once you tie the zip tie, you can't take it off again unless you cut it off, or you have to go over that process again. So I did 2 of this, and I did the second bundle, and this is what we have because the hair is not as full. So I went ahead to detangle the hair. You already know this, when you're revamping your hair, you have to always comb and detangle everything before you put it in your water. So this is what the hair is looking like after I've detangled it, and you already know I took my shampoo, poured it in my bowl, and then I poured boiling hot water. Yes, you have to boil your hot water. It does not damage your hair, so don't be scared. After that, I dunked the hair inside, and then I left it in the water for like 5 to 10 minutes, covered it, and let it strip the hair of its dirt. And look at how dirty the first water looked. After that, you're going to go ahead and wash the hair like you would wash your natural hair. I washed this hair I think 4 times. I washed it until the water became clear and it was very foamy. That was when I knew the hair was clean. When you're washing the hair, you know where we gather the hair, the weft part? Yes, you want to squeeze there and wash it like you're washing your clothes. Yes, that's the only way to get off the dirt. Okay, so wash it and don't be scared. But for the rest of the hair, do not squeeze it too much like you're washing your clothes. Just, I don't know how I'm going to explain it. Just press the water out of it basically. Next, you're going to go ahead and rinse your hair until the water is clear, and then we're going to go ahead and apply our treatment. I'll be using the silicone mix and the keratin treatment milk. You can go ahead and use one of these, but I just like to mix it for a better result. You're going to be generous with your product. I always spread that on this page. Apply a lot and then go ahead and detangle it so the product will get to every part of the hair. I haven't went ahead and separated the hair, so I'll detangle it more and let the product enter the hair very well. So this is what it's looking like. After that, I'm going to tie it in a plastic bag and let it sit for 40 minutes. I always set my timer for 40 minutes. Next, you're going to take it out of the plastic bag and rinse it. I'm using normal room temperature water. I forgot to say that earlier. I rinsed it until it was clean, and then I went ahead to apply my conditioner. You can use any conditioner of your choice. I'm going to just go ahead and be generous with my conditioner again, and then go ahead to comb it to evenly distribute the product. I'm going to leave this conditioner till the next day, so I rinsed it out the next morning and dried the hair. I didn't show that part, but yeah, that's basically what I did. And this is what the hair is looking like, air dried with no product, only just the treatment and the conditioning. And I'm ready to style the hair. Styling the hair, I just basically used my T-pins to pin it on my mannequin head. Used my Hawaiian silk leave-in conditioner and my Lido Eye serum. You can use any product, but trust me, use your Hawaiian silk. It's going to bring back the curls. Can you see what the hair is looking like even without me styling it, just by adding the leave-in conditioner? I detangled it and went ahead and coiled it. Even though I was not supposed to coil it, my client didn't let me know, but I coiled it. She wanted me to leave the hair like this, but I did my wasabi and coiled the hair. And yeah, I have a video on how to coil hair up on my page already. You should check it out. I do hope you enjoyed watching this video. So sorry I've been slow with posting my tutorials on here, but better late than never, right? Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.